I'm gonna start with guacamole. I'm going to use mortar and pestle, cucumber, cilantro, garlic, lime, red onion, avocado, tomato, salt, whole pepper, half of serrano pepper. I'm gonna start by mashing 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, whole pepper, like that, salt, a lime, a half of serrano pepper. Look at that. So beautiful. Wow. Start cut the avocado. In this case, just I'm going to use 2. Look at that. Wow. Cilantro. Then I'm gonna clean a little. To use just 1 tomato. I'm gonna chop the cucumber, the seed with a little. I'm going to cut a little cube. I'm gonna make any corrections. Just a bit of salt, maybe another one, and a little drop of lime. Let me try again, guys. Much better. Mwah.